Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum student. I'm a computer teacher. Today is my lecture on the practical of chapter number 3, MS Excel functions and functions and formulas. In my last lecture you learn about different formulas and functions used in MS Excel. Today we use them practically to perform some tasks. In your book page number 24 there are 4 practicals. First, second and third. Let's start these practical. First practicals, motion teacher wants him to calculate the total marks obtained by student following subjects. Mean what we have to do, we have to insert these marks in MS Excel and calculate their total marks, helping him writing formula. Mean हमने formula लिखना है formula bar में. So let's start it. Start your computer systems. Okay student, look, this is the MS Excel. I opened it and write the subjects. Look, in cell A I write the subject, and in column A I write the subject, and column B marks. So what we have to do, we have to enter these marks in formula bar in this. So let's start it. We have to calculate the total. So after computer I have to write total marks. Look, total marks, and then this. So we have to write the formula. How can we write it? We simply have to go to formula bar. Look, this is the formula bar. Press equal to sign. Now we have to write their formula in using cell reference and accurate operator. So we have to calculate total marks. So for calculating total marks we have to use the plus sign, mean addition sign, plus sign, and we have to write proper cell reference. So look, in my spreadsheet I use column B and my row number is 2. So by clicking this, look, automatically in name box cell reference appear, which is B2. So look, this is enter B2, B3. First B2 plus, look, when I am clicking on B2, automatically in formula bar, look, automatically when I am clicking on B2, automatically on formula bar B2 appears. So after this I press plus, sorry, look, go back, look, yes, no, firstly I have to press equal to sign, equal to sign. It's getting something wrong. Look, we undo our work. Exactly. So just we have to do this. So let's start this. Look, when I'm going to on this sign, look, firstly we have to press equal to sign because our formula start from equal to sign. That's it. And then we go to this. Look, when I am on this B2, automatically there B2 available, and after this I type plus sign, automatically there B3 automatically appear, then again plus sign, go down, go down, B4 again plus sign, and look, B5 plus sign, B6 plus sign, and B7 plus sign, and B8 plus sign. So no, we don't need to, because so we have to just enter it, and look, in C cell our total marks appears, बिकॉज इन मेरा सी सेल में आंसर इस वजह से है बिकॉज उस टाइम मेरा कर्सर सी सेल में था. अगर आपका कर्सर ऑटोमेटिकली टोटल मार्क्स के सामने वाले सेल में होगा तो आपका आंसर वहीं पर आएगा. सो नाउ यू गॉट इट हाउ टू enter your total marks by using formula bar. You just have to write cell reference and accurate operator sign. Okay, hope you got it, this one. Our next is using internet find the distance of earth, each planet from the sun in the solar system. Calculate the distance of these planets from the earth using AutoSum feature Excel. Okay, so this is the next practical is make short report Make your report card in MS Excel and calculate the total and average marks using AutoSum feature. It's mean you have to write your subject and your total marks from your recent report cards, and you have to use AutoSum feature. Mean you don't use the formula bar, you have to use the AutoSum feature. So let's do it. Look student, I already write all the subjects, and these are my assume marks which I assume. You can write your marks, and if you don't remember your marks, then you can write any numbers. Basically we have to use the AutoSum feature. So let's do it. What should we have to do? Look, my cursor is on total sign, then go to AutoSum and select sum. Basically look, automatically all the marks are selected, and in total, look, in front of total automatically some formulas is written, and then we have to just enter. So total marks are 720. Now we have to also calculate the average. Then so we have to go back to AutoSum, then click on average. Look, we have to calculate average there. So student, make sure your cursor and your selected cell will be accurate. If you don't select accurate cell, then automatically your answer will appear in different cell. Like अगर मैं ये cell यहाँ ये select नहीं करूँगी, ये या ये select करूँगी, automatically मेरा आंसर यहाँ appear होगा. So मुझे अपना यहाँ पर appear करना है average के बिल्कुल सामने. So I select this one. Go to AutoSum and then average. Look, automatically all the cells are selected and average formulas appear just in front of average, and then click enter. Look, automatically enters by pressing enter, automatically average is calculated. So this is the method to calculate average and total by using AutoSum feature. Okay student, next is create a spreadsheet for results of London Olympics. Calculate the success. Mean we just have to get the result of London Olympics. We should enter the data of London Olympics and create a pie chart on it. So let's see how can we create a pie chart. Look student, I already entered some data. You can take this data from by using internet. I'll use 3 to 4 countries and their medals like gold, silver, bronze, and total numbers of medal they achieved. I'll already make a spreadsheet and enter data. Now let's see how can we make a pie chart. Look, we just have to drag them. Mean just a simple, we have to drag this one. Look student, I select the data which I want to show in the chart. So we have to insert chart. Then for inserting chart, we go to insert option from the menu bar, insert, then look chart. So we need to pie chart. Look, this is the symbol for pie chart. Click on it. The type of pie I want this type of. Look, this is the pie chart already inserted. Now from this, look, or when you insert anything, any shape, automatically its design tool and format appear. So what type of format I want such a type of format, so I can format it. Look, and if I also want, look, these are some different types of format which you want basically, so you can use according to it. So look, here we insert our pie chart. Look, automatically their percentage appears.